Hi everyone, welcome to the Language of Your World blog or video blog. This is Jose Vega, your federal court certified interpreter, and I'm here today to tell you about our certification. So every translation that we have, every document that we have translated comes along with a certificate of accuracy, as we call it. And I wanted to show you what one looks like so you can see what the wording is and you can see what you are going to be filing with the court. Most likely you will be filing this certificate of accuracy along with your translation, whether it is with the courts or with immigration. So let me show you really quickly. If we go here to our frequently asked questions, you go down to where it says, will my translation be certified? And it shows that we will not charge extra for this certification, that it is free of charge, that it is notarized, even though this is not a requirement. If you read at Immigration Services, USCIS website, if you go to the website, you'll realize that it doesn't say that the certificate from the translator needs to be notarized. And you keep on going down. You can click on this and it takes you to the USCIS website so you can see what their requirements are. Now, this is a sample certificate. Now, this one is a little bit different from the requirements that they are mentioning, and let's go straight to that image here. Now, if I am the person that is editing and I am the one that's proofreading the translation, it will have my name up here in the actual text on the part of the certificate of accuracy. It'll say, I, Jose Vega, a state court certified interpreter with such and such ID number, and a federal court certified interpreter with such and such ID number, hereby certify that the attached translation between Spanish and English is true and accurate to the best of my knowledge and ability. This one is a little bit different. This one is in a different language. This one was from Italian to English. And what we're doing here is that we are including up here that the agency certifies that this translation has been done by such and such person who may have a certification, in this case, the American Translators Association certification, and is fully versed in the Italian and English languages. And then I sign in the bottom as editor-in-chief for the company, and I provide my federal court interpreter certification and my Florida court interpreter certification number as well. And this is notarized. Um, we have never had an issue with this certification ever being rejected by immigration, and we've done very many of these. And the wording in this uh, certificate is a little bit different in that it is not signed by the actual translator. It's not signed by the actual translator. Now, we do have another version where it is signed by the translator. Now, sometimes the translator is not located here locally in Miami. So they may be in a different state. They may be in a different city, and it's not feasible for us to get an original signature and have it signed in front of a notary. So we may have this, if you want a different wording for a document that is not between Spanish and English, or for a different language pair, we can do it, and we have done it several times for our clients, where we put whatever wording you want, and we actually have the form already prepared. And I may show you one in another video that is electronically or digitally signed. So we would send this same top portion, not the bottom portion with the notarization, just the top portion, and send it over to the interpreter wherever he or she may be for them to sign digitally. And then you would just get that plain piece of paper. I think that this other one with the stamps and the notarization looks a lot more formal, more professional. And I've been countless times in these immigration residency interviews and asylum interviews. And to be honest, the officers don't care. They just take anything with a stamp on it, even if it doesn't have a stamp, they accept it, and they're really focused on the facts of the case, not as much in the actual bureaucracy and the details of this certificate of accuracy. They're more interested in the details of the in the application. They want to make sure that every single field in the application is correct, as far as what the application that was submitted versus the real information or whatever information your client is giving them at the interview itself. Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please like and subscribe, and also check the alerts, please, so you can get all these notifications every time we have a new video coming out. And thank you very much for watching Legal Translations, where we speak the language of your world.